Lately I've been into jewelry, so I looked at inspo and I saw that price and I was like, absolutely not. I do not have the budget. So I looked in my jewelry box to see what I had. It looked promising. Then I looked up close and yeah, this looked absolutely dingy along with the makeup stain on my shirt, but it led me to an idea, making my own jewelry. So I'm making my own jewelry today and I am really excited about it because clearly y'all see I need it. I'm not gonna say I need it, I want it. I don't have the budget to be spending like hundreds of dollars on jewelry. I just wanna up the quality of it. I'm a creative girly and so I'm like, let's create our own jewelry. So here's the layout. We're gonna make this gem head along with this colorful bracelet and this pearl and gold bracelet, and everybody's gonna be happy with their head in the clouds like mine. Yeah, I'm super excited. Here's the creation process, by the way. Bracelet number 1. So I finished the beadboard here and I get excited. So here's my little dance here. And had to add some charms to it, of course. Another dance move. And I got my elastic here, got to tie a knot, make sure this thing don't fall apart. And yeah, this is already going smooth, guys. Here I'm adding the charm, the A. Oh, it looks so freaking beautiful right now. I'm like excited with how it's looking. On this, you have to be a little bit meticulous with it. Got to make sure you get that loop in place and close up or it will fall apart. Here, I'm checking to make sure that it's going to fit. And yeah, like this is me closing up and I'm about to crimp this small tiny bead so that it keeps all the beads in place. Tying it again, just ensuring the security of it, cutting it, and yeah, like here we go. Y'all, I love the bracelet and I knew that I was going to like it when I put it on the beadboard, but seeing it all done, y'all, look at it. And I like the fact that it's like pearl and gold because I feel like I could kind of pair this with a lot of different outfits. The reason why I put the A in the boot, I'm sure y'all can guess why I put the A for Ashley. Go girl. And then I put the boot on here just because I'm from Tennessee and then I ended up moving to Texas and like, I don't know, like the country life, the rodeos, the cowboys, all the things reminds me of home. It's that. I'm about to be that girl. And when I say that girl, I just mean I'm going to be me authentically. Guys, this turned out great. Bracelet number 2. So here's some beads that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to put it together. And let me just go ahead and apologize, guys, because I did not get all of the footage of me creating this. Sorry about that. But at least you can kind of see a little bit of the creation process. And here is the finished product. Oh, it looks so good on my arm. Clearly, I could be biased because it's my wrist. But like, what? And I mean, like for a basic fit, like what I have on this. Yeah, this is definitely already changing the game. It's changing my fit. It's changing the aesthetic of my fit. Absolute success. Now I will say like one of the beads I have on here, I don't know, it looks like it's gonna probably be a little snaggy and that is going to irritate me. So I probably will keep rocking this, but if it keeps snagging, then I'll probably upgrade this and show you guys like what I do. But overall, love it. Moving on to the head. Project number 3. So I got this NY head and it's a dad head because I feel like it looks better on my head. So I got these gems from Amazon, which I'll link in the description along with this glue. All the supplies that I'm using, I'll of course link it for you guys. But yeah, this one I was just going one by one and gluing on these jewels. And honestly, this was a lot easier than what I thought. I thought the glue would just kind of like be
be everywhere, which you can kind of see like some of the glue did start coming out like in like these little strings. So I had to kind of like go in and fix that after like pressing on each of the gems, just whichever ones was a little bit messy. But yeah, this was like super satisfying to me just to see it all come together one by one, like gem by gem. Also, I did have to consider the placement and like each of the colors that I was placing, because of course I didn't want like two of the same colors or similar colors side by side. I wanted it to kind of, yeah, I just wanted to hit like this. Look at this. I'm in love. I'm in love.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the hat. And before I put it on camera, fire. When I saw this on Pinterest, I knew I was gonna make it, and I knew that I was probably gonna pull it together. I didn't know how it was gonna look on my head, but we're about to see how it looks on my head. Let me adjust my hair a little bit. Y'all tell me how y'all feel, because I feel like this hat is eating down. The hat is doing what it needs to do. I knew it was gonna do what I needed to do, and it's doing it, you know? It's doing all of it and everything. The bracelet, doing it. Let me put on the other bracelet. Where's the mic? Oh my gosh, let me show you guys. I'm so happy right now. Like, don't y'all love when a project just comes together? To put all of this time into this, to figure out the jewels that I needed to make all of this happen, and for it to pull together the way that it's pulling together, I feel so good. And I'm so glad I did it, because I'm starting to realize how important accessories can be to a fit. I put this fit on and I'm like, it's basic, but this would be like a great base to like enhance. So to put this all together and to see it play out, it couldn't have gone better. So you guys gotta stay tuned, because next up I'm gonna make some necklaces. So I can't wait to show you guys. Y'all stay tuned, because I'm gonna drop that ASAP. I love y'all. It's been real. It's Ashley Real. Bye.